Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to upload digital products on Beacons.ai. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to your browser and now search for Beacons.ai and now make an account. Now once you have done that, you'll be in the dashboard, and now on the left hand side go into store, and now in here scroll down and click on digital product. Now here at the top you'll see 4 different screens: the product page, checkout, success screen, and email receipt. So you have to fill all of these one by one. So on the right hand side, first of all click on product files and now upload the file over here. Once you've done that, just change the product title, also add the prices, the description, and the photos. Now go to the second page to the checkout section, and now just add your payment details over here. Now go to the success screen and now customize this as well, and now go to the email receipt and now just do the automation over here of how the email should be sent. And once you're done, click on publish on the top right hand side. Now click on the 3 dots and click on copy URL, and now when someone opens this URL, they will be landed on this page. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.